Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Propolis drops. Propolis is a remarkable natural resin collected by bees from various plants. They use it to seal and protect their hives. This unique substance is celebrated for its many beneficial properties, making it a popular choice for natural wellness. Propolis drops provide a simple and effective method to incorporate this powerful bee product into your daily routine, whether for internal support or external application. For internal application, it's quite straightforward. You'll want to mix about 5 to 10 drops of propolis into a small glass of water, juice, or even a spoonful of honey. This helps to dilute the strong taste and ensures easier consumption. You can take this mixture 1 to 3 times throughout the day, depending on your personal needs and the product's specific instructions. It's a wonderful way to support your body from the inside. When using Propolis drops externally, you can apply a few drops directly onto the affected skin area. For instance, if you have a minor blemish or irritation, a small amount can be gently dabbed on. If your skin is sensitive or you're covering a larger area, consider diluting the Propolis with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or almond oil, at a ratio of 1 part propolis to 2 parts carrier oil. This helps spread it evenly and reduces potential irritation. Before using propolis drops, especially for the first time, it's crucial to perform a patch test. Apply 1 small drop to a discrete area of your skin, like your inner forearm, and wait for 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. If you have known allergies to bees, honey, or other bee products, it's best to avoid propolis entirely. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.